What was it?
Point at the map and we'll get there somehow. The sky ain't falling, let's get out of this town. Our time is vital and we're making it count. Doing what we can to show them who we are now. Okay, 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 yeah, yeah. Let's show them what we're made of. Let's show them who we are. Okay, 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 yeah, yeah.
Alright, what's up from Descend on Bend? Today's Sunday. And we are about to head to the synchro jump or something like that. I guess a bunch of vehicles are about to hit some jumps down in the pit. So I think we have a mile walk. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. I'm also gonna try to be shooting on my drone. So maybe Michaela can record a little bit on here. We're gonna see what goes down. It looks like a bunch of random vehicles hitting jumps and just doing crazy crap. So sounds pretty cool. It's super hot. It's supposed to be 95 today, Michaela.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, made it down here to the synchro jump, right? Yeah, so in the hole. Yeah, we're in the hole. It's pretty hot. My back's kind of wet from the backpack. But it's supposed to be pretty crazy. We have a bunch of stuff coming down the road right now. Nice and dusty. Brought the drone. We're gonna try to hitch a ride back up for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Because everybody else is viewing up along that ridge. So we walked the road the whole way down. But yeah.
Preparing the jump.
Yeah, they're getting the jump ready. That guy supposedly sends it every year. Oh man, dog running around, that's sketch. Almost got hit by the bike. All right, gonna set up, try to capture what's going on, get the drone ready, get the 135 on, and see what happens. Hopefully nobody breaks anything. I feel kind of bad. Thanks, man. At least we got a ride back.
Yeah, that's right. They've been walking it.
Oh yeah, we walked down. You guys walked down?
No,
they rode.
Oh, okay, okay.
So when we saw them walk over, we were like, oh, we gotta make sure we get our ride back. Those people are crazy.
Yeah, that was sweet. I feel like I can't breathe, but it was sweet. Yeah, there's a few going. I wasn't worried that. Oh, look, there's that guy going again. He hiked up there.
Oh shit. Dude, how the fuck?
He just hiked up there. I don't know. That's a decent hike. Right in the back of the Cummins.
That guy is
That's an entrance.
Came down, everyone.
That's an entrance to make. Guy.
Oh, I'm sure. He's doing that shit.
Yeah, I was gonna say he's showing up like that. What a legend.
Yeah, that's. Oh, you shirtless now?
No, at this point.
I wouldn't put it past him.
Oh. This dude's landing right here.
That's.
Oh.
Oh, this thing slide. That's what I thought. I thought the bed itself moved before he slid a little bit. I was like, that's not good. They're careful enough. Yeah, that's fine. Well, and then who puts herself with a rig that expensive? Well, yeah, that too. You gotta.
Made it to the top.
Hi, here's your dad. Oh, yeah.
Hey! Hi! Oh. All right, so after the Vanagon jump, that was super crazy, very dusty, and huge shout out to that guy who let us hitch a ride in his Dodge. Michaela's making some pasta salad right now. We kind of moved actually down to, with our friend Dylan. And yeah, so now we're kind of in this nice little triangle of other vans and buses. And I'm about to have soup for the third night because on our way here, I wasn't feeling great and we weren't thinking about food, and I think we're both looking extremely forward to going to a restaurant after this.
Need protein.
Yeah, we need like real, I want to pay somebody for a good meal, basically. So I'm about to eat my soup, just organizing some stuff, and then I think there's again live music tonight. So probably check that out, hopefully it's good and better than last night's band. So time for some soup. You can see how there's pretty much a layer of dust on everything in our van. You can tell it's our little squadron out here. It's really awesome. Everybody's super cool. They're live on YouTube right now and everyone's just kind of vlogging. Super awesome. I'm back here making my soup. Yeah, nothing super fancy. Some good old Campbell's chicken noodle soup. So about to get to it right now and finish making this stuff. Michaela just hopped on that bus, so I kind of not gonna really get the chance to see it, maybe later. Got the Campbell's brewing up, getting nice and warm. Got a good spot tonight by the porta potties. Thankfully it doesn't smell too bad. All right, I'm using my manual focus 18mm for a wider angle. As you can see also, Michaela cut my hair pretty short because it's been growing like a weed on this trip. We still pretty much have like almost 4 weeks left until we plan to get home. But after coming to this event, because we're not gonna be able to make it next year, I don't think, to either of the events. They're doing one, my birthday weekend in California in the Sierra Nevadas, and then they're doing this again, but my good friend Drew and Kara, they're getting married. And I'm in that wedding, so that is a priority. But coming to something like this definitely makes you, or at least makes me, want to pursue a full-time van life. So just kind of really thinking about things, thinking about the way I've been doing things with my YouTube channel, and I don't know, it's really cool. It's just a totally different lifestyle. And it's so achievable. Like they, in that blue bus that Michaela's on right now, they've been on the road for 3 years. So it's time to chow down some soup.
Boys, you're getting rowdy.
Look, he's getting in there.
Here you go, buddy.
So we're doing like 550.
Michaela is getting ready to do some haircuts here at Descend on Bend.
Before everyone heads home.
I think you're doing a 2 haircut here?
Yeah, I think so.
For now, until maybe people roll up. I don't know what's about to happen.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so
We'll see.
Michaela's about to do some haircuts. We've got a bunch of people here.
Go get my metal detector.
Everyone's kind of heading out, doing their own thing today. So how'd the first haircut go?
Pretty good.
Not bad?
I think I have one more.
It's probably overexposed. One more haircut?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, nobody's walked by or anything.
there was somebody that walked by and they were like, haircuts?
Yeah, sometimes it just feels awful, and I had like so much
I'm gonna wear a hat. Babe, he said, I usually do a 0 fade. Or a small. I said, I can't do that shit.
Michaela just finished up with, I think, what, 3 haircuts?
Yep.
Michaela did 3 haircuts. We're still just chilling out. Dylan just fired up the ambulance. I think they were waiting for a shop to call them back for a wheel spacer. I think they're gonna end up staying somewhere around here tonight, so we might as well. We're gonna see what we're doing, what's going on. Thankfully, some of the people that Michaela gave haircuts to, we met, the Lost Renegades on YouTube. They are super nice, Charlie and Jen. Very, very nice people. They let us connect to their Starlink, so we've been able to kind of get back in touch with things. This event has been absolutely awesome. Right now we're just cleaning up, packing up. We have so much stuff, and it's just been super cool. Everybody kind of said their goodbyes, and it's awesome.
Cool because like it's a different community than the car community, but
it's
still
kind of
a community, so it's pretty
How
super
long you
chill.
guys hanging out here for, you think?
I don't know.
We're gonna roll into town. I'm gonna check with that shop, and then I'll know whether we're staying another night or not.
Okay, yeah, let us know. Dylan and Katie are heading out. Might see them later. See ya! Sorry, light might be pretty harsh. We are all packed up, pretty much ready to go. Let the van run a little bit. We consolidated everything, got the back rack on, Michaela's favorite part. But they're cleaning the porta potties and it reeks. Michaela almost threw up. It was that bad. So we have no idea where we're heading.
I'd like to find somewhere laundry and a shower?
Yeah, like a hotel.
We just came from.
I know, but at this point, it's like what everybody's doing. But yeah, absolutely amazing weekend. We'll see if we make it to any future ones and if we'll be in Bertha or another van build out. Absolutely amazing weekend. If you haven't come to Descend on Bend, hopefully seeing this along with many other YouTubers videos, pretty much all the guys we hung out with, you should definitely want to come because this place is absolutely awesome. Michaela, anything you want to say
I had a great time.
about Descend on Bend?
I had a great dusty old time.
Yeah.
Like, look at this.
Yeah, it's...
We didn't drive anywhere this weekend. We pulled in.
Yeah, it's been dusty. So we'll tell you guys where we end up heading. It could be, I don't know, a motel or something. I have no idea. We just need a good package combo of laundry, showers, and refreshments and food.
Yeah.
So we'll update you as we go along.